Hey, welcome back. Happy New Year. Hope everybody got goodies under the tree that you wanted. But anyhow, this is a real quick update. Limit on my video today. This is the log truck. This is just mocked up. Nothing's really glued together yet. But this is where we're at right now. Got a long ways to go. Just a real quick update here. Give you guys a little sneak peek of what's going on here. A-frame turned out pretty good. But, yeah. Got a couple goofs in there. Got a little liquid on the glass there, as you can see right there. I just mocked it up as some passenger was in there and fell asleep and slobbered on the glass. But anyway, swapped out the wheels for a 4070B because I like the buds on there for a work truck. Matches the AMT log trailer. Detailed out the flaps. Got the real cable going on there. I just wanted to give you guys a real quick update. So, hope everybody's having a good year so far. Hopefully it'll be better for all of us. All right. God bless and enjoy the video.